Golden State Capital tapping in with the meta chart. Yesterday we got that little baby bounce, and today that just got ate up. We got another rejection of that bearish fair value gap, that key level of 641.74. And you'll also see that we got a sweep of previous day high. And if you subscribe to candle range theory, you know that that means if we're ultimately going to the other side of the range. And if you're using the daily range, that would be yesterday's low of 626.34. So if we drill down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that about 6 a.m. we got that sweep, and then 9 a.m. just a drill. I hopped in a put at 10 a.m. and thought we would get a push through at the lunch hour, but we got a pop up and a retest of the opening range and a little drill at the end of the day. So it really didn't do much after the lunch hour started. I do have a strong bearish bias because the higher time frames. I want to note something real quick before I go to the high time frames, is that my mentor really put me on to focusing on time and price, so in entering trades at the right time. And he always tells me, make sure you're looking at trades, looking to enter trades if you're day trading at 10 a.m., at 11 a.m. Wait for that lunch hour. Don't do anything there because big money they're out having big fat steaks and stuff. And then at 10 a.m. at 1 p.m. I'll be looking for trades. Nothing there. Then at 3:45 p.m. you might be able to snipe and get into a trade at that point. So just something to keep in mind. I did back testing with this. I did some live testing with this, and for the most part it is pretty spot on. So I always do that. I want to go back up to the higher time frames because people on Twitter and Webull feeds are like, this is going higher tomorrow, 700 tomorrow, 750, 800 next week, and I just do not see that. I obviously will play level to level and take what the market gives me, but the higher time frames are screaming lower. So I think we see sub $600. I think if we go up to the quarterly chart, I think we do get at least a 50% retracement, that 442.17, and then a bounce off 414.50. If we get to that level, like I said yesterday, you better just start going crazy, because that's where smart money will be buying this up and sending it back to all-time highs and ultimately to like $900,000. I'm trying not to get overzealous, play level to level, because my biggest money loser has been meta, because I didn't have a lot of these concepts dialed in early in the year, and I took losses. So I am trying to make them up slowly but surely, and doing that by not over trading, practicing proper risk management, and really sticking to my thesis, and seeing profit, taking profit, and knowing when I just need to sit out. So if I'm tired, I don't need to trade. If I'm groggy, cranky, don't need to trade. If I'm hydrated, slept well, ate well, focused, I'm locked in. So a lot of this is just psychology, just like in sports. I'm a former college athlete a very long time ago, but I still have that mindset. Everything I do is about discipline. So this is a new skill that I'm learning the last couple of years, few years, and I'm just trying to grow personally, grow within the trading community, and just learn from a lot of people and help anybody who may be on their trading investing journey. So leave a comment below on if you think meta is bullish or bearish going into tomorrow, into next week, and then what you think is going to play out for the rest of 2025. Please like and subscribe so I can push more content to you guys. Let me know what tickers I should be looking at, and we're going to check back in tomorrow and see how this thing plays out. All right, Golden State Capital out.